Elzie has the hiccups for the first time. Ooh, oh, that's some good head lifting. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, hiccups. Oh. You had them all the time when you were in my belly, but I couldn't hear them. This is pretty funny. I think I hear BD and Gigi. I do.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. Welcome.
Hi, Duty.
How are you?
Good.
How are you, buddy? How is she? Oh, she's got the hiccups. Just got them. Look at the baby. Hi, baby. Sweetie girl. Hiccup Central.
How you got this set up? How's this working out?
We don't have batteries for it, so we need to get those.
Right on the dot.
Ding ding.
Yeah.
You did such a good job eating your lunch, dinner, brunch,
Look at
breakfast.
the bib on her.
Oh, you got the hickeys? Hello?
She doesn't have hickeys.
What is
She's
she,
a
born
hic-
cancer?
She's got the cute little outfit.
Oh, hello.
Here's a little bib that says, I love Daddy.
Oh.
And a onesie and some polka dotted pants. Hiccup.
She looks very comfy.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh!
Come on. Here, we'll change your table down here. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel?
Goodbye, Elzie.
Good.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye.